Shoom app. So here is Shoom AI music song generator app. Super popular and easy to use app. And here is the upgraded version. So I upgraded with a free trial in this app to show you. By the way, right now they have super cool deal where you can literally upgrade for 99 cents. 99 cents during for a week, and then you will be charged more, but you can only pay 99 cents for a week, and then you can get 10 credits, so you can create songs for free and try it out. Pretty cool. So yeah, let me just show you. The cool thing about this app is that it's super easy to use. So it's super minimalistic. You don't need some advanced skills. You literally just write song description, 1,000 characters. Whatever, and then you can just select music style. You can add some lyrics, and then there are advanced like settings, song name, whatever. But let's just start with simple, and then you just tap create. Then you can also add your voice, so you can add your voice in here. And yeah, so that's kind of the idea. So yeah, add your voice, write your lyrics, or try random song name. And that's kind of the idea. Then you can also explore it. So here, as you can see, different tracks which were made by this app. Then you can see the library. You can see that it's still being generated, and then you can see your account. So you can see you are using generations, you're using credits for generations. And this is the idea. One generation is only $2, 20 generations $20. Then you can always get more credits. Rate us your account, privacy settings. Contact us your account, library. And then you can just create it. So that's it. That's how you get started with this app. Again, you need to be upgraded. But again, there is like 99 cents trial right now for 1 week. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, it takes some time to generate the song. As you can see, it takes like 2-3 minutes, sometimes faster. So then you will see this while your tune is ready. Just make sure to update. So that's kind of the idea. You also get the cover of your album. You can download as audio, download as video, and then if you want a view proof creation certificate, you can buy it. That's another monetization for this app. I don't know why you need it, probably yet. That's kind of the idea. Yeah, so that's just what you can get in here and how you create songs in this app. So try it out.